Hey there, here's a quick and easy way where you can save one slide as a PDF when you're working in Google Slides, even if you have a longer slideshow. Over here, I have about 10 slides in this slideshow, but I'm only editing this one newsletter and I only want to send this one out. So first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to click over here on the left on the slides and do Control A. That's going to select all my slides. Another way to do that is to go to Edit and go to Select All. Now, once I've had them selected, I'm going to right click anywhere on the slides and I'm going to click Skip Slides. So all of my slides have now been skipped. But I do want this one. So I'm going to go to the slide I want, right click, and I'm going to uncheck skip slide. After I've done that, any slides that I want, you can do multiple. I'm going to go to File, Print Settings, and Preview. Now, if this is the first time you've done this, you're probably going to see that it's highlighted at the top and it says Include Skipped Slides. Well, we don't want that because if I download this, I'm going to get all of them. So I'm going to uncheck Include Skip Slides because I don't want to include them. And here I have my one. I'm going to click Download as PDF. And what I will get on my computer is just one PDF that has the one newsletter, or if I selected more, documents, and then I can share from there. Hope this was helpful and saves you some time.